Vande Mataram children, continuing with chapter 2, that is nutrition in animals in science biology. Today we are going to mainly focus on the different way of taking food by different organisms. Okay, how do different organisms take their food, and little bit we are going to introduce about human digestive system. So let's have a look about it. So children, let's continue. Today we have to understand the topic different ways of taking food by different organisms. Children, from here you can write it down in your textbook where the table is already given. So now see the name of some animals as given here, like snail. Snail eat which kind of food? So grass. And how? To chewing. Okay. Ant eat insects by scraping. Scraping मतलब जैसे ऐसे उसको स्क्रैप करके खाते हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड स्क्रैपिंग. ईगल फ्लैश खाती है स्वेलो करके. हमिंग बर्ड नेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर बाय सकिंग, लाइक हाउ वी सक द जूस फ्रॉम द थ्रू स्ट्रॉ. लाइस ब्लड शक करती है. मॉस्किटो ऑल्सो सक ब्लड. बटरफ्लाई नेक्टर बाय सकिंग. Children, these insects like butterfly, hummingbird, butterfly, they suck through the proboscis. उनकी जो एक एंटीना जैसे उसको proboscis बोलते हैं. See here, you can see your hydra is shown. Butterfly में देख रहे हो आप proboscis. Okay, then your paramecium, ये आपकी बुक में नहीं है अभी, but you can understand. See here. स्नेक स्वेलो है ना, स्नेक पूरा स्वेलो करते हैं प्रे को. देन फ्रॉग कैचेस प्रे थ्रू इट्स स्टिकी टंग, लाइक दैट. ओके, हियर आल्सो यू कैन सी chameleon through swallowing, rabbit nibbling, this cow chewing, snails grabbing. Okay, dog like lapping, licking food. Fine. So now coming to next, we are just going to have introduction of nutrition in human or digestion in humans. You can see here alimentary canal. Okay, alimentary canal and digestive system. I'll explain you the parts of it. See children, we are human beings. Okay, we eat food every day. Then what do happens to our food? Where does it go? You have already learned that humans are omnivores and our body is therefore able to digest both plant and animal food. We take in food through our mouth. मतलब हमारा food हम mouth से खाते हैं. And from mouth it passes through a number of organs in the body. And all these organs together form a food canal, जिसको हम alimentary canal या digestive tract बोलते हैं. So here you can see the whole tract or alimentary canal. Now alimentary canal is long and coiled tube. ये coil होती है. And it consists of following 7 organs. So which are the organs? Let's start from the top. That is first mouth and mouth cavity, which is also called as buccal cavity. Second, esophagus or food pipe. Then stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and it ends to anus. Now what do you mean by digestive system? Along with this alimentary canal, we also have glands which secrete digestive juices. So though there are 3 glands in our human body which secrete digestive juice, one is salivary gland, next is liver, and next is pancreas. So there are 3 glands. Number 1 salivary gland, number 2 liver, and number 3 pancreas. Here you can see alimentary canal fact about it. The canal through which food passes starting from the mouth, उसको हम alimentary canal बोलेंगे. Also called as food canal or digestive tract. So children, we can understand that what do you mean by digestive system. ये digestive system जो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं वो that is consist of alimentary canal along with the associated glands. Okay, तो 3 glands और alimentary canal साथ में मिलके हमारी human digestive system बनाती है. So today only we are going to understand this. You have to remember the organs which constitute this alimentary canal. Okay children, thank you.